Have you ever wondered how some students finish assignments faster, how developers write code in half the time, or how content creators produce videos almost every day? Here's the secret. They are not necessarily smarter. They are using artificial intelligence effectively. In 2026, AI is no longer optional. It has become one of the most valuable skills anyone can have. Whether you're a student, a software developer, a freelancer, or someone who simply wants to become more productive, these AI tools can dramatically improve the way you work. In today's video, I'll show you 10 powerful AI tools every student and developer should know in 2026, what each tool does, and when you should use it. Let's get started. 1. ChatGPT. Let's begin with probably the most popular AI assistant in the world, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot capable of understanding and generating human-like conversations, but it goes far beyond chatting. Students use it to explain difficult concepts, summarize lecture notes, solve programming problems, prepare for examinations, practice interview questions. Developers use ChatGPT to generate code, debug errors, explain existing code, write documentation, learn new programming languages, brainstorm software ideas. Think of ChatGPT as your intelligent study partner and coding assistant available 24 hours a day. However, always verify important information. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. 2. GitHub Copilot. If you're a software developer, GitHub Copilot is almost like pair programming with an AI. As you type, it predicts entire lines, functions, and sometimes complete files. Instead of writing repetitive code manually, Copilot helps you focus on solving the real problem. For beginners, it also teaches better coding patterns by suggesting professional solutions. Remember though, don't blindly accept every suggestion. Understand the code before using it. 3. Claude AI. Claude is another powerful AI assistant. One of its biggest strengths is handling large documents. Imagine uploading an entire research paper, a project report, or hundreds of pages of documentation, and asking questions about it. Claude can summarize, compare information, identify key points, and even help rewrite documents professionally. For students writing projects, this is incredibly useful. 4. Gemini. Gemini is Google's AI assistant. Its biggest advantage is how well it integrates with Google's ecosystem. If you already use Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, or Google Search, Gemini makes your workflow much smoother. For example, you can ask Gemini to summarize your emails, draft professional responses, or organize information across your Google workspace. Students and professionals who rely heavily on Google services will find Gemini extremely valuable. 5. Perplexity AI. Have you ever searched online and spent 30 minutes opening different websites? Perplexity solves that problem. Unlike many AI chatbots, Perplexity provides answers together with references to where the information came from. This makes research significantly easier. Students can quickly find trustworthy information, researchers can verify facts, developers can locate technical documentation faster. It's one of the best AI-powered search engines available today. 6. Cursor AI. Cursor is one of the fastest growing AI code editors. Imagine VS Code, but deeply integrated with AI. Cursor understands your entire project. You can literally ask questions like, where is the authentication logic? Or, refactor this function. It can edit multiple files, explain your project structure, and even generate new features. For serious developers, Cursor is becoming a must-have development environment. 7. Notion AI. Students often struggle with organizing notes. Developers struggle with organizing documentation. That's where Notion AI comes in. It helps you generate meeting notes, summarize documents, create study plans, brainstorm ideas, and organize knowledge. Instead of staring at a blank page, Notion AI gives you a strong starting point. Productivity improves dramatically when your notes are well organized. 8. Gamma AI. Creating presentations used to take hours. Now, Gamma AI can create beautiful presentations within minutes. Simply describe your topic. Gamma generates professional slides, images, layouts, and formatting automatically. Students can prepare seminar presentations quickly. Developers can create project demos without spending hours designing PowerPoint slides. ElevenLabs. Need professional voiceovers? ElevenLabs is among the best AI voice generation platforms available. It creates incredibly natural voices. Content creators use it for YouTube narration, audiobooks, training videos, podcasts, and educational content. Developers also use it when building AI assistants or voice-enabled applications. The quality is remarkably close to human speech. 10. Pipit AI. Finally. The tool used to create videos like this, Pipit AI. Instead of recording yourself with a camera, Pipit allows you to generate realistic AI presenters. You simply provide your script, select an avatar, choose a voice, and Pipit produces a professional-looking video. This is especially useful for online teachers, businesses, YouTubers, trainers, and educational institutions. If you're camera shy, Pipit makes video creation much easier. Bonus tips. Knowing these tools is important, but knowing when to use them is even more important. Here's a simple guide. Need help understanding concepts? Use ChatGPT or Claude. Need reliable research? Use Perplexity. Writing code? Use GitHub Copilot or Cursor. Organizing your work? Use Notion AI. Making presentations? Use Gamma. Creating voiceovers? Use ElevenLabs. Producing AI videos? Use Pipit. And if you're already using Google's ecosystem, Gemini fits naturally into your workflow. Important reminder, AI should make you smarter, not replace your thinking. Don't copy assignments without understanding them. Don't submit AI-generated code you can't explain. Use AI as a learning assistant, not a shortcut. The students and developers who succeed in the coming years won't be the ones who avoid AI. They'll be the ones who know how to use AI responsibly and effectively. Artificial intelligence is changing education, software development, research, and content creation faster than ever before. Learning even a few of these tools today can save you hundreds of hours over the next few years. If you're serious about becoming a better student, a better developer, or simply becoming more productive, start exploring these AI tools one at a time. You don't have to master all of them immediately. Begin with one, practice consistently, then gradually expand your AI toolkit. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Smart Teller Academy for more. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future lessons. And in the comments section, tell us which AI tool has improved your productivity the most, or which one are you excited to try first. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning.